A new era in online earning. In the evolving world of online opportunities, a new platform is turning heads by offering up to $675 per day to beginners. Imagine starting from scratch, no skills, no experience, and earning a substantial income daily. This website is designed to help beginners tap into the digital economy with simple yet profitable tasks. In this guide, we'll walk you through how the platform works, steps to sign up and get started, tips to maximize your daily earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to begin your journey toward financial independence. Why this platform stands out. This isn't just another online earning site. Here's what makes it unique: beginner-friendly, perfect for people with no prior experience. Global accessibility, available worldwide, making it inclusive for everyone. High earning potential. While many platforms offer small payouts, this site enables users to earn hundreds daily by focusing on lucrative tasks. The platform uses an innovative system that matches you with tasks based on your skills and interests, ensuring you can start earning immediately without feeling overwhelmed. 1. Create your free account. The first step to unlocking this earning potential is signing up. Here's how to do it. Visit the website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your basic details, name, email, and a secure password. Confirm your email to activate your account. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. This is where you'll find available tasks, your earnings balance, and bonus opportunities. 2. Build your profile. After signing up, you'll need to set up your profile. This step is crucial because it determines the tasks you'll be matched with. Follow these tips to create an effective profile. Be honest, clearly indicate your skills and interests, even if they're basic. Add a profile picture. Some tasks may favor users with completed profiles. Set preferences. Choose task categories you're most comfortable with, such as surveys, data entry, or affiliate marketing. 3. Start earning money. Now comes the exciting part: earning money. The platform offers various tasks, including surveys. Earn cash by sharing your opinions on products and services. Content creation. Write articles, edit videos, or design graphics for clients. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services using unique links and earn commissions for every sale. Micro tasks. Complete small tasks like data entry, transcription, or categorizing images. Each task displays the potential payout and time required. Choose tasks based on your schedule and earning goals. Beginners often find surveys and micro tasks the easiest to start with. How to maximize your earnings. To reach the higher end of the earning spectrum, here are some strategies to follow. Focus on high-paying tasks. Spend time on tasks with the best reward-to-effort ratio. For example, affiliate marketing and content creation often pay significantly more than basic surveys. Consistency is key. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to ensure a steady income. Take advantage of bonuses. Many tasks offer bonus payouts for early completion or consistent performance. Check the platform regularly for these opportunities. Learn new skills. Over time, developing simple skills like basic design or writing can help you access higher paying categories. Real success stories. Thousands of users have already found success on this platform. Here are a few examples. Sarah from California, she earned $2,000 in her first month by focusing on affiliate marketing tasks and consistently completing surveys. James from the UK, with just 3 hours a day, he is now making $675 daily by combining high-paying tasks and bonuses. Lila from India, she started with micro tasks and gradually moved into content creation, doubling her income in just 2 months. These stories prove that anyone can achieve significant earnings with effort and strategy. Is it too good to be true? You might wonder if this platform is legitimate. Here are some key points to reassure you. Verified payments. Users consistently report receiving their earnings on time. No upfront investment. The platform is free to join, and you don't need to pay anything to start earning. Transparent payout system. You can track your earnings in real time and withdraw funds to your bank or PayPal account whenever you reach the minimum threshold. Common pitfalls to avoid. While this platform is beginner friendly, here are some mistakes to avoid. Ignoring profile setup. A poorly set up profile can limit task recommendations and reduce your earning potential. Skipping bonuses. Missing out on bonus opportunities can significantly impact your daily income. Inconsistency. Sporadic activity reduces your earnings and can make it harder to access high-paying tasks. Start your journey today. There's never been a better time to start earning online. With this platform, you can turn your free time into a reliable income stream. Follow the steps above, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description, sign up for free, and take control of your financial future. And if you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more tips on making money online. Your journey to $675 a day starts now.